Hi, I'm Brian Mahoney, business owner, national speaker, and #1 best-selling author. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to get anywhere from $500 to $5.5 million guaranteed to start your business, to begin your dream. Hi, this is HD Supply, a commercial cleaning site. Actually, I have supplies for much more than commercial cleaning, but as you can see, they have lots of supplies here. You have paper products and dispensers, trash cans and bags, cleaning tools, cleaning chemicals, floor equipment, soap, odor control, and you just hit those links there and it takes you to all their supplies. So this is a great site for you starting your commercial cleaning business, and you can see they have lots of specials up to 50% off on clearing items or clearance items. But also, when you're talking about transportation or low-cost transportation, this is GSA auctions, or this is a government auction website where you can register and bid on property that's all over the country. Um, got this 2010 Ford Expedition, and I know that I looked up the resale price for that's about $12,000, and I think it went here for only 4,600, and I think the bid just closed on that one. But you have all kind of equipment, Dodge Ram. This it says a casket carrier, Chevy Malibu. So here, if you're looking for transportation, low cost transportation, you might be able to find a great deal for your business at this government website. Hi, this is the U.S. Small Business Administration's website. And sometimes I think people think it's hyperbole, but oftentimes the excuse for not starting a business is money. So I wanted to show you on this website that they have business guides and all types of resources to help you. Just about everything is free. They even have a program called SCORE that will give you a mentor who's already done the business you want to do, and then they will uh, assist you. But this is what I wanted to show you. As you go down for the SBA guaranteed loans, and they talk about the benefits, the competitive terms, getting counseling. But this is what I wanted you to see: is you can get from 500 to 5.5 million to fund your business. So if money has been an excuse for you not to start a business, then there are ways to get it. And one is through the tax dollars that you're already paying. They're giving you back your money. So don't feel bad, because that's what rich people do. I listen to these channels, and they talk about how uh, the difference between rich people and poor people is that rich people do everything themselves and pull themselves up by their bootstraps, and you should not accept help. You have to do it yourself. Well, they accept help. They have no problems accessing government loans, and then once they become rich, they have no problems giving themselves tax breaks to take even more money. So you should take advantage of these government programs because it is your money. This list was compiled by YouTuber Evan Carmichael. Most of these points are brief and to the point, but if you like more detail and explanation on each one of these points, then visit Evan's YouTube channel. Bruce Lee's 10 Rules for Success. Number 1, demonstrate impressively. Number 2, express yourself. Number 3, have faith in yourself. Number 4, exploit opportunity. Number 5, be confident. Number 6, be like water.
No matter what situation water is in, it adjusts to whatever container you pour it into. Number 7, create your art. Number 8, commit fearlessly. Number 9, don't think, feel. And number 10, take on the best.